If you're 40 to 65, you lift and your front shoulder lights up every time you bench, especially when you're pushing out of the bottom, this video is for you. Shoulder pain with bench is one of the biggest complaints we see with our clients. Most guys are told bench is bad for your shoulders, when in reality it's how your shoulder is sitting and moving in that position that's the problem. Today I'm going to show you one exercise you must do before you bench to save your shoulders. It takes a couple of minutes, you can do it every bench day, and it targets the exact mechanics that usually cause that front of shoulder pain. I'm Dr. Joey Seyforth, online shoulder rehab specialist with Comeback Performance. We help active adults, mostly guys in their 40s, 50s, and 60s, fix shoulder pain so they can keep benching, pressing, and training hard without feeling like their shoulder is ticking down to zero. If your main problem is front shoulder pain at the bottom of bench, this is for you. Quick note, if you want the full breakdown with tests and 3 rehab exercises, go watch my video Shoulder Pain with Bench Pressing, 2 tests and 3 exercises to fix front shoulder pain. This video is just one warm-up exercise we layer on top of that plan. You really need about 40 to 50 degrees of your upper arm going behind your torso. Most painful shoulders are stuck around 20 to 30 degrees. Your shoulder blade and cuff aren't doing their jobs, so the ball of your shoulder drifts forward in the socket at the bottom. Over time, that forward glide compresses the front structures. Your bicep tendon, capsule, joint surfaces, and your nervous system simply says, nope, I'm not doing it. In our Big 5 system, we look at each client's neck, upper back, aka T-spine, shoulder blade, shoulder joint, and nerves. For bench, we're especially targeting number 3 and number 4, shoulder blade and shoulder joint, so the ball stays centered instead of jamming forward at the bottom. Let me show you a quick test you can do to see if lack of extension is your issue. You're going to stand tall with your arms relaxed by your sides, keeping your chest up and not arching your low back. Lift your hands straight back behind you. If you can't get your hand roughly a forearm's width away from your back without a front of shoulder bite, you're missing some of that extension bench demands. That's exactly where this one exercise comes in to help. This is the one exercise I want you to do before every bench session and teaches your shoulder the path you want at the bottom of bench. Think of it as resetting the joint before you load it. Here's how we do it. And if you want the full Big 5 shoulder guide, you can download it using the link in the description. The exercise is called a banded posterior shoulder mobilization. To start, you're going to anchor a band at about chest height to shoulder height behind you. Facing away from the anchor, loop the band around the front of your shoulder on the painful side. Next, you're going to step forward until you feel the band gently pulling your shoulder backward into the socket. From that position, set your bench stance, slight arch, shoulder blades tucked, ribs down. Now perform a bench press motion with that arm. Let your arm move out and down a bit like the bottom of a bench, then press it back up to the start. The band is constantly pulling the ball of the shoulder back and slightly down as you move. Keep the motion slow and controlled. This is not a full heavy bench rep, it's a rehearsal. You should feel a gentle stretch or pressure in the front of the shoulder, not a sharp jab. Complete 3 sets of 12 reps on the painful side before you bench. This hits the joint positioning, Big 5 number 4, and sets your shoulder up so when you actually grab the bar, you're not starting from a jammed forward position. But if you get sharp, catching pain, or feel clearly worse after doing it, shrink the range of motion and work through what feels okay. To give you an idea of how powerful it is to fix these mechanics and not just rest, we use this type of work with Tom Martin, national champion and world record holder in the 90 kilogram class, who had 20 years of shoulder pain and had tried physical therapy and struggled with sleep and bench pressing. Once we address the same mechanics I'm showing you, getting the ball to sit better in the socket, restoring extension, improving control, he went on to set a world record bench. You don't have to be a world record lifter for this to matter. The same principles apply if you're just a guy who loves bench and doesn't want to give it up. So before every bench session, do the shoulder extension test, see how it feels. Then do banded posterior shoulder mobilizations, 3 sets of 12 reps on the side that bothers you the most. Then go into your regular bar warm-ups and working sets. Over time, you should feel less front of shoulder bite at the bottom, a more solid feeling under the bar, and less fear that the wrong rep is going to send your shoulder over the edge. Most bench press shoulder pain comes from lack of extension, poor shoulder blade and joint control, and the ball sliding forward in the socket at the bottom. Our Big 5 lens tells us to fix the shoulder joint and scap mechanics, not just stretch the front of the shoulder. The one high-yield pre-bench drill is the banded posterior shoulder mobilizations, 3 sets of 12 before you bench. Do this every bench day before you touch the bar. Bonus points if you do it every single day if you're pretty stiff in general. If you want the full plan, including the exact test for extension and internal rotation, plus 3 rehab exercises and smart modifications, go watch our video Shoulder Pain with Bench Pressing, 2 tests and 3 exercises to fix front shoulder pain. I'll link it on the screen. And to understand how this fits into your whole shoulder system, grab my free Big 5 Shoulder Fix Guide. It walks through the 5 key areas: your neck, thoracic spine, shoulder blade, shoulder joint, and nerves, plus tests and exercises to start changing each one. You can download it using the link in the description. And if you want a personalized bench specific plan, someone to look at your big 5 areas, your bench mechanics and training, and then map out a step-by-step program that lets you keep pushing heavy without blowing your shoulders up, then text me the word pain to 720-710-4371 to get a tailored step-by-step approach on how to permanently fix your shoulder pain. Our mission at Comeback Performance is to help over 1 million people around the world eliminate their shoulder pain, avoid unnecessary imaging, injections, and surgeries, and get their lives back. After you reach out, please like and subscribe to the channel. We're putting out daily content based on your guys' questions on shoulder-related topics regarding pain and rehab. At Comeback Performance, the comeback is always stronger than the setback.